me out with a few problems. Yeah. Thanks so much. I've been missing the last few classes and it's definitely starting to catch up with me. You know, I started like getting a little embarrassed because, you know, when the teacher just randomly calls on people, whenever they say anything to me, it's like I just kind of go blank, like my mind just everything just disappears, and I can't keep doing that because my participation points are down to 3 right now. And, you know, we get 10. So I'm thinking, you know, you just help me out with a few of these problems, and then next week, once I've, you know, started catching up, I can help you out once I understand things a little more. Okay? You don't think you'll need my help? Okay. You probably will, but maybe I can help you out with something else. It doesn't matter. Well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I saw that on question 3, it said that when you give a cat a piece of tuna, you can't expect it to do backflips because they don't really understand the concept of gymnastics. But apparently you can expect it to do a backflip, right? Oh, you can expect it to do a cartwheel. Okay. But are their arms long enough to do that? Like, can they really reach to get over there? Okay. Okay, so these are magical cats we're talking about. Their arms stretch out. Gotcha. Now see, my question with that is, this is where I get a little confused. Can dogs also do it? Dogs can do the backflips. Gotcha. Yeah, no, this definitely wasn't on question 3 about the dogs, but I was still curious about it because I think it's going to be on the test tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Actually, can I just take a look at your notebook really quickly? It'll be super, super quick. I'm not, you know, taking your answers or anything. I just want to take a look. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. No, I'm not copying it. I'm just looking over it. I'm actually writing down some of the questions because then it's just easier for me to recall what we were talking about. Yeah. Are you gonna tell the teacher or something? I'm seriously not copying your homework. Oh my gosh. If I knew you'd be such a stickler about everything, I probably would have asked someone else. Hey, Mr. J. Yeah, we're just going over the problems. Yeah, I just needed a little refresher because, you know, I've been kind of struggling with it the past few weeks. Yeah, they're helping me so much. Like, awesome tutor here. Honestly, they should be getting paid for it. Yeah, great work. Thanks. Okay. Now, did you see how last week Erica was like, you know, kind of sitting really close to James? Do you think they have something going on? saw Erica with Timothy. And Timothy, he is like really all about being around girls that he's actually interested in. Like, I never really see him just hanging out with girls like his friends. They usually always have something going on because such a ladies' man, right? So that has me wondering if Erica has something going on with Timothy and him. That's what I'm thinking, but don't tell anybody else after that. Yeah. But I don't blame her. You're single, you're living your life. Go be free, girl. Go be free. I mean, what do you want to say? I don't even think he's like, really put in the effort to take her out and really show her off. And he definitely didn't ask her to be his girlfriend. So it's like, girl, going out with Timmy Tim then. But one thing I would not do, I probably would not ever kiss Timothy. And I'm gonna tell you why. Apparently, Timothy, he has a really big problem with like halitosis, which is crazy because all the girls like to date him, and it's just so interesting because I feel like exactly. That's what I've been trying to say. So, I mean, hey, if she likes it, I love it. But for me personally, Timothy would be on the road. But I think her and James are really, really cute together. So I feel like it'll work out with them as long as Erica isn't, messing around with Timothy, because that guy. So, that's just my 2 cents, but hey. Hey, Stacy. Yeah, what's going on? Girl, no. No, we're definitely not talking about that Erica. Yeah, this is Erica that went to my last school. But, we both knew each other before I came here, so she knows all the tea already. Yeah. I hear that Stacey and Erica are actually kind of cool, so I probably should have whispered a little more, but honestly don't even care because one thing that I do know about Stacey is that what's really getting me though is that so, I'm not tripping about anything, exactly. So yeah. Now, question 7. Can I just see that one again real quick? Okay. Okay, but if the chicken didn't cross the road to avoid being chicken nuggets, then why did it cross the road? Oh, because there was a pop house on the other side? Okay. He wanted a biscuit. Yeah, that checks out. Biscuits are pretty good. I actually had a pet chicken one time, and it was a Japanese bantam. Cutest little thing ever. And do you want to know what happened? he was so hungry one day, and I was just feeding him. I started feeding him cornbread. The little chicken ate so much cornbread that his little neck puffed up because it was full of bread. Little fat baby. He was adorable. But yeah, I went away for one weekend, and the dog ate him. So, that didn't end well. But it was a chick. Luckily, it wasn't like a full-blown grown chicken because that would have been even worse. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, still pretty sad about it. You wanna know his name? His name was Turkey. Yeah, so cute, right? I know. Come on, just turn your paper over. Okay, I'll be honest. I have copied a few answers, but here's the thing. I've changed up the wording, paraphrased a little bit, and Mr. J will not be the wisest. Can you please just help me out here? Seriously. Come on, I'm really not trying to fail the class. Thanks. It's gonna help my participation because then I'll be able to answer questions, you know? Yeah. So you really are helping me. I'm not just copying, just a copy. I'm actually learning based on your answers. Oh gosh. You're really sweet. I appreciate that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end this class with like at least a C now. Because I did fail a few tests a few weeks ago. Okay, now. Did you hear about Marcus?